So on your Chromebook, guys, you're going to log out and then you're going to hit apps and you're going to click on this link right here. Yours is different, of course, because your computer is different, but this is what you're going to click on. Okay? So check it out. It's going to load up right there. Now you have to do this when you log off of your computer. You have to do this when you log off of your computer. It's going to check all the systems. This is what you're going to do next week when you take the STAAR test. So here we go. We're going to go through the tutorials. The tutorials right here. So you're going to click on tutorials. It's going to load it up. All right. You're going to take the test. Once it's done loading, we're going to click English. If you want to do Spanish, you can do Spanish. You're going to do 8th grade, because even my 7th graders are taking the 8th grade test. You're going to click mathematics right there. You're going to put no supports right there. And then you're going to take test. All right, this is the tutorial, okay? So it says right here, the tutorial is going to run you through it. So what you have to do is click next, and it's going to run you through this entire thing you have to do. Shows how to take the STAAR test, username, password, and session ID provided to take the test. Once you log in, you will see the title of the test you will taking, then you'll see some directions. So click next. It's going to give you a bunch of stuff that you need to do. All your questions are down here. It's going to give you some hints on if you want to do some, if you want to tag some questions. It's going to ask you, back, mark for review, clear, next, all this stuff. So I want you to go through this stuff right here, and you're going to click on it. Okay? So I'm going to click through it all really quick so you can see this. Watch the video. It's going to play some stuff for you. There you go, guys. So just run through this video, and then when you are done with this, you're going to log back out and log back into our Zoom. We're going to send you a Google form about this.